Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. Your people, my people. Your God, my God.
Do you, Michael, welcome Hyacinth, to be your wife, to live together in the holy covenant of marriage?
Bodies dressed against the cold, taunted by the ghost of autumn.
I do.
Solid blanket in the snow.
I will be with you through every struggle and hardships in life. Around 3 years ago, nagkaila mi tungod na mi mutual friend na nagpaila na mo. So, we started atong nag-camp mi.
Everybody's here, everyone we love. The flowers are arranged, they're handing out champagne, waiting just for us.
Personally, wala ko naka-remember niya. And then, 2020, year-end to siya, camping sa Lake Damon with friends gihapon. Same sa ato mong kuyog mi dito sa Kanghangan.
And I feel kinda nervous as the music starts the service and I turn around. You should see the way you're looking right now as you're walking down the aisle in your white gown. I can't breathe, I can't speak, can't believe what I'm seeing.
Siya ang like pinakamaldita nga tao akong nailhan, but she's the kindest sad. So
Na-inlawan ako niya kuan. Grabe kay siya, iyang patience gyud.
I'm speechless. Now we're finally here.
sacred relationship of marriage established by God in creation, and our Lord Jesus Christ adorned marriage by His presence.
As our song starts playing,
Murag mauna ang nakapa in love dyan ako sa iya ha. Even though she looked tough, pero very kind-hearted.
I said yes to be your supporting girlfriend. And right now, on the same day, by the grace of God, I will say my yes and I do to a lifetime of commitment, to a lifetime of togetherness.
by my side, I can't breathe, I can't speak, can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm speechless.
Happy 7th day of the month and happy anniversary. So, I'm excited to see you later and to exchange our vows. I love you. Happy anniversary.
Bisag unsa ka lisod sa tong situation sa to relationship, balag unsa ka maldita sa puton, strikta, I'm gonna stay and stand by you. I love you, bes.
My best friend got a
boyfriend. Said he pretty cute and he wanna be your husband. Get a ring, boy, one knee, boy. Don't just talk about it, better walk it out, boy. Everybody got that ring by spring, yeah. Graduating in my rest degree. Gonna get dressed up, gonna stand by your side. And I'm probably gonna cry. But I stay single, team single. And it ain't cause I don't wanna mingle. One day, I'll be riding with my babe, riding with my baby. But today, I'll be singing with my girls, singing with my ladies. All the girls with no ring on their hand, gonna wait it out, cause we can, yes we can. All the girls with no ring on their hand, gonna wait it out, cause we can, yes we can. Not gonna settle for less than the best, no. My daddy taught me better than that. All the girls with no ring on their hand, gonna wait it out, cause we can, yes we can. He'll love you like no other, no need to be a stunner. He working on you and he working.